Family owned and operated Beechmont Ford. Exceptional customer service and a great selection at a great price. Here's the vehicle for you.
What makes the 2012 F-150 the right truck for you? Let's break it down. It's got the highest towing and payload capacities available in its class. Plus, it's got standard trailer sway control and big new brakes, so you'll feel confident and secure towing the heaviest loads. It makes dealing with cargo fast and easy. The standard in F-150 performance is the 3.7-liter V6 with advanced twin independent variable cam technology, followed by the power of the available 5-liter V8. For the best in horsepower and torque, there's the new 6.2-liter V8. The 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine combines the efficiency of direct injection technology and the thrust of twin turbocharging. From a fully equipped mobile office to security to tracking the units in your fleet, every position is filled by a pro. And stay in touch with navigation with Sirius TravelLink and Sync, powered by Microsoft. The 2012 Ford F-150. It's clearly the best in so many ways.
At Beechmont Ford, a 9-time President's Award winner, we have the vehicle you're looking for at a price you'll love. Take advantage of our repeat customer rewards program and save even more. Beechmont Ford, we're a friend in the community. Stop in today. We're easy to find off of I-275 at exit 65A, Beechmont Avenue.